how to make $500 per day using Amazon FBA, making money online. Now check it out. I haven't did a video like this in a while because I was focusing on other things with you, but Amazon right now is taking off. As you know, it's $1.2 trillion right now, and I'm going to show you how to source it, how to find the product, how to sell the product, and how to profit in the next 48 hours. Okay, so listen close here. And I've never did a video like this in Amazon, but I tried it for myself. I'm gonna be honest with you. You know, last month I did it, and right now I'm up about 10 to 15,000 a month. I said, why not just do a video for you? So smash the like button if that's what you want. Always sub to the channel if you like. Wesley billion dollar virgin, let's go. You thought I forgot, huh? So check it out. So first step to doing this is basically go to sell.amazon.com. Okay, just go here, and this is how you create your first account. You hit sign up here to create your first account. If you already have an Amazon account, well, you're pretty much 50% already in there, and I think you already have one. Comment below if you already have an Amazon account, and because that's all you need, right? An Amazon account to basically sell items, and FBA means fulfillment by Amazon. So basically, you're gonna take products, put it on Amazon, and just get paid, so you can just leave your job. And I'm gonna show you how to make 500 bucks per day, right? I mean, that's 15 grand per month, and I think that'll get a lot of people started here, so they can win. First step, so do that. And I'm not gonna go through the sign up process. I mean, you could do it yourself, right? I mean, I already have an account, done deal, so you could do it yourself. Okay, but the next step is, and this is what a lot of people don't know what to do. They say, well, Wesley, how do you know what to sell on Amazon? Because check it out. If I go to Amazon.com right now, right, the typical person, what they're doing is they're going to bestsellers and they just scrolling through here and trying to find a product based off what Amazon algorithm tells us to do. But listen, that is not the best way. I'm not saying it won't work, but it's not the best way in 2022 to make money online with Amazon FBA. Check it out. This is the site you need to go to. This is the site that everybody uses. I just started using this 45 days ago, and I'm profiting. I'm making a ton of money, and that is junglescout.com. Go to Jungle Scout, and listen, this is the #1 site that every Amazon FBA person uses to basically profit on Amazon. When you want to find products, go to Jungle Scout. If you want to find out what's winning, go to Jungle Scout. Now listen, for this video here, I'm not going to go through that long process of going through Jungle Scout. How about I just give you the product? I did the research already. I did everything for you. So how about I just show you what's working right now and what you can do right now? And listen, the playing field is huge, and you can make a ton of money, a minimum of $500 per day. Smash the like button if you want me to do that. Okay, I'm going to assume that you just hit the like button. Look at that. So here it is, Valentine Gnomes. So go to Amazon.com, type in Valentine Gnomes. I did my research on Jungle Scout here. It took me about 15 minutes here, and I found out what it's selling right now in the past 30 days and has the highest profit margin. And I'm going to tell you where to get it from. So check it out. I don't know who buys this stuff. I would never buy it. I guess older people buy it. I don't, kids. But these things are flying off the shelf. Check it out here. Excuse me. Look here. This person is already making like almost $4,000 to $5,000. Oh, actually $40,000 a month, almost like 4,000 people left a review. So it's like almost $40,000 selling this. That's crazy, right? This person right here made about $4,500 here. So, I mean, and this person here made about $20,000, $25,000 here. So it's working very well. And maybe I'll show you guys my gnome, but listen, write that down, Valentine Gnomes, okay? You need to sell that right now, Valentine's, right now, because it's just working, and it works year round, not just during Valentine's Day. Listen, a lot of you might think, well, will this only work through Valentine's? No, people are buying this crap. I'm sorry, not crap. They're buying it like every day from the research that I did on Jungle Scout, and you can do your own research and figure it out for yourself, but it's working. So now the next question is, okay, Wesley, I have a seller account. I know what I'm going to sell, right? But where do I get this stuff from? Like, where do I get this crap from, right? Check it out. So you just go to Alibaba.com, Alibaba.com. And just for the video, just to speed it up for you, I just type in Valentine Gnomes here. And look, 36 cents, $4 here. Okay. I mean, they're cheap here. So what you do is go to Alibaba.com. See, look at this note. It's $2 here. And look, that's $2 here. But if you go back to Amazon here, they're selling this for $17. So look at that profit margin, like $10 per sale here in profit. And that's including shipping costs as well. Does that make sense? So you go to Alibaba. I mean, this is where everybody goes to. Alibaba.com, which is the Chinese company here, Jack Ma. Some people, I have some friends, they actually fly to China and get their stuff, and they're making a ton of money. I have friends that's doing like $200 to $2 million a month just selling these type of products here and just going through this process here. So listen, just go here, and what I suggest is when you buy a few first, just see the quality, right? Make sure you got something good, and make sure you have a person or a distributor out there that has a good quality product here. And once you find one, you just order. You can start with 120. It's up to you. And that's what I did. I started very small and I tested the market. And the great thing about it, I didn't do any marketing at all. Once I went to my seller account here on Amazon and I got my brand new seller account, and I went to Jungle Scout and did what I had to do to make money online. And I just let Amazon use their algorithm, and they just started to rank me automatically here, which is insane. I haven't spent any money on ads, no money on advertisement, and right now we're doing about $5,000 to $10,000 a day. A month, I'm sorry. And I'm not doing almost any work just from the setup. And this is exactly what I did, folks. So if you can do this, comment below, I can do this. Smash the like button if you love the information. How about this? I want to do something else for you. I want to give you my secret sauce, which I haven't talked about, but listen, what if this entire process, what you just saw and heard, what if you could just do it on autopilot using software? Listen, software right now is just taking over. Software automation. Artificial intelligence is taking over. Elon Musk is talking about it. Jeff Bezos. A lot of the stuff that a lot of you are doing manually, because I know you're a newbie, so I get it. If you're a newbie, smash the like button. If you're a beginner, but you really want to make money online, use software. In the link in my description, I have a software. It's called PayShop. It would allow you not only to do this on Amazon, you'll do it on Walmart, you do it on Target, different stores that people are not even using. And the software does everything I just showed you. It does it for you right now. Like, how would you feel if you got the software, right? Simple software, right? That allows you to do everything here and basically create an Amazon, Walmart store within seconds and start making money in the next 24 hours. Start getting orders, right? Orders every single day, right? You could do that with Valentine nose. You could do it with gloves. It doesn't matter, but the software does it for you using what is called artificial intelligence here. So what I'm going to do, the software usually costs $1,000 a month, but like for the first 10 people, you can have it for $17. I say try it. Listen, you don't have to get it right now. You can always just go through the manual process and just take the long route, or you can take the easy route like I'm doing. Like my company's per year does about 40 to 50 million a year. And I just now in 2022, I'm using software. So if you're looking to use software, the link is in the description below. Check it out. Get it. First 10 people, $17 is yours. I'm sorry I didn't do any edits for this video. I just want you to get this right now and understand that you can do this right now. Much love. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go.